Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPUSD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. Before I proceed, I would like to take you to the economic calendar here. Today we have got big events coming up. As we all know that these are some market driving events. So be careful with all the USD pairs. And please use proper stop loss and use proper risk management as well. Keep in mind that it's your hard-earned money and it's your duty to protect it. So be careful when the news will be coming up. Okay. So at first, let's look at the chart of DXY here. Undoubtedly, this market is extremely bullish, and as you can see, that DXY is taking support at the 50 moving average and going up. And we have a resistance around 99.50 to 99.40. This is a resistance zone for DXY. So if you're thinking that at any given point of time we may see some good downtrend in the market, then I would like to add something here. Okay, yes, we have a resistance at the top, but one thing that we need to focus here is that market is not crossing or breaking the previous lows here. Or in simple words, though we have a resistance at the top, but we have new buyers coming in. This is an ascending triangle pattern. Okay, this is an ascending triangle pattern. In ascending triangle pattern, we generally see market breaking the resistance and going up. So my dear friends, there is a possibility that though we have a resistance, but DXY will break the resistance and DXY may go up. So as we all know that we have got events coming up. So yes, if the news is good enough, okay, then DXY may break the resistance and may go up as well. So be very careful, and if it fails, then we may see some reversal as well. So whatever you do, follow risk management. Okay, now let's look at the chart of GBP USD. So first of all, I would like to take you to the daily chart here. In the daily chart we have a bearish flag here. Okay, so if DXY breaks the resistance and starts flying, okay, listen to me carefully. If DXY breaks the resistance and starts going up, then there is a high chance of GBP USD breaking the bearish flag and starts going down as well. So that can be a very chaotic event for GBP USD if GBP USD breaks the level here. Okay, so we must be very careful while taking the trade, and without taking a trade without confirmation will be very risky here. So right now market is trading at 1.3053. This is the current market price here. So if market comes to the level of 1.2990, around this level, if you see market coming down to this level, observe the market and see how the market is doing. If you see that market is trying to bounce from here, you can go for a buy. But if you see that the selling pressure is very high, extremely high, then do not take a buy, because there is a chance of market breaking the support as well, because already we have seen that we have a bearish flag on the daily time frame and we have an ascending triangle pattern on the chart of DXY. So if market bounces, we can go for a buy, but if market breaks it, I still say that do not take a sell position. Why? Because 1.2970 is also a support from the weekly chart. So there is a possibility that market will somehow try to take support around this level. So taking a sell, okay, around this position will not be a very safe thing. Okay, if you see that there is a huge fall in the market breaking the support, market going below 1.2970, then you can take a sell position. But yes, there should be volume. It means the size of the candle should be big enough. If you see that market GBP USD is going down with big fat red candles, then you can take a sell position. But otherwise, if you see some price rejection from below, if you see market is trying to take support around this level, definitely go for a buy, do not go for a sell. Okay, So again, your observation will be very important here. As I say, confirmation is the insurance of traders. So keep in mind. Okay. And if market starts going up, then there is a possibility that around 1.3115 to 1.31, around this level, market may face selling pressure from above. If you see market facing selling pressure in this level and market trying to reverse, you can take a sell position. So sell position here, buy position here, and if we see heavy fall in the market crashing below 1.2970 level, then also we can take a sell position. Okay, but otherwise, um, observe the market mostly and see, as I said, events coming up, so be careful and use proper risk management and stop loss. See, this is my analysis, I can be wrong as well, so be careful, be very careful. Bye bye, take care.